Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen, and this time it's for the Samsung M20 for those of you who forgot your pattern and can't remember it anymore. Remove your SIM card and your memory card. This procedure will erase everything that's stored in its memory. In some cases you'll need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files or anything like that. It's just so it can enter recovery mode. Then you go there and select the unlock option that I'm going to show you here. So try it both with and without the cable. Just use whichever method works for you. Leave a comment below to help other people out as well, okay? To do the procedure, you can leave it on this emergency screen or on the screen where it's asking you to enter the PIN. I prefer to leave it here on the emergency screen. You're going to press at the same time the volume down and the power button together. As soon as the device restarts, release the volume down, press the volume up, and when the Samsung logo appears on the screen and doesn't disappear, let go of the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll show you here to make it easier for you. Hold down the volume down and power buttons until the device restarts, just like we said. Just a few more seconds. Now release the volume down, press the volume up because it has already restarted. Now pay attention to the screen. Did you see the name flash? Now yes, I release the power button and keep holding the button up top until it enters recovery mode. This is recovery mode. Remember, this procedure will also work for other Samsung models. Now go down by pressing the volume down button until you reach this option here, where it says IP Data Factory Reset, and confirm with the power button, which is the on-off button. On this next screen, go down again and confirm once more. Let's wait just a few more seconds, confirm one more time, and now your device is already being unlocked, okay? It will restart without any lock screen password. If you also need to unlock your email and your Google account, we can do that remotely as well. Our number will be in the video description so you can ask your question, clear up any doubts, and check the price for your unlock. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will also be in the video description. And it doesn't matter how much you give, what's important is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you all. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.